What is this plant that is growing in my yard? And you take a look at the picture there. Stefan, what do you think about that?
Oh, it looks like okra.
Looks like okra to me, right? and tell us why you think it's okra, though. Because we actually talked about this a little earlier.
The purple circle on the center of the stem, as well as the purple veins. And that's very identifiable for okra.
Right.
I would actually just leave it alone. If you enjoy okra, let it grow.
Just let it grow. It looks like it was in somebody's yard instead of in a garden, you know, so maybe, you know, it came in, you know, wind, bird, or something like that.
Yeah, absolutely.
But I would just let it go. Now, the thing about okra is this, you're going to be picking it, you know, until frost, you know, comes. I mean, it's going to grow pretty tall, but, yeah, okra plants are fine.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we all like okra, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.